Today, as we enter what's called our future of making things strategy, it's really about connecting our data that's coming out of our applications, with the downstream consumers of either the people or even the devices that need to get access to that information. So today we're using APIs really to enable entire ecosystems to be able to enable both partners and customers to consume information. Because we build our own applications, API management is an integral part of our own infrastructure for our own applications. So for example, today, when we build some of our SaaS applications, we use API management to make calls and control the authentication between services for the Autodesk applications that we build. We also have a developer portal and use API management to expose some of our own web services to our partners and enterprise customers that want to use some of Autodesk technology in their applications. API management allows us to basically centralize a lot of the authentication policies, throttling, scaling kind of things that we wanted to be able to do overall, just internally to be able to expose APIs to our own internal teams. It basically enabled us to securely expose those APIs to partners again. So almost in the same way we did it internally, did it externally. We come from the CAD industry where desktop software was a primary tool for doing design. In many of these industries, collaboration became critically important. The problem was, though, have data that was created by a proprietary desktop tool that not everybody's going to go spend $5,000 or $10,000 to buy. So one of the key things we were really trying to do is let anybody really get access to that design data for things like design reviews, collaboration on change orders, things like that might happen during the design process. And so what we're able to do with our API is really open up that ability for others to start consuming design information, which means for us, we now have a completely new customer. From an API management perspective, it's really, I think probably maybe 2-3 things. One is security, so that's important for us, right? Being able to provide secure access to our services, ensure the customers and developers that are putting data into those services that we have a secure layer to be able to do that. Having that ability to be able to kind of assemble, almost like Legos, a set of services together to then provide an overall API product to the customer. They don't know there's 5 or 6 services doing the work underneath. Is extremely valuable to us. The thought of managing a developer program, the developer experience, a lot of these kind of things that we were doing a little bit on the desktop side, but not nearly as much as we are now in the cloud, was really what I think API management brought to us. So it was more than just the technology. It was about how do you build a whole program around this thing. And now it's around marketing. It's a platform that when our enterprise customers and even competitors' enterprise customers see what we're doing, they're starting to take notice that Autodesk is taking the industry in a new direction.